One of the benefits in our community is that we have a lot of people that want to give and provide services for folks that need medical care, eye care. Vision's Priceless is an organization that we worked with for almost 20 years now. One of the things that kind of fell through the cracks was providing surgical care, and that's where our program, the Gift of Sight, comes into play.
One morning I got up and I had blurry vision. And I was like, well, I kept rubbing it and stuff like that. I said, well, let me go and get my eyes checked because I knew it was time to renew my glasses. But when they checked, and then I was explaining it to the nurse, and they checked my eyes and said I had cataract that needed to be removed. I was so happy to hear that Florida eye specialist was going to get my eyes done, and I didn't have to pay anything because my finances wouldn't allow me to get it done.
Losing your vision is something that really set me into a whole nother zone, you know, because you start thinking about things like, who's going to take care of me? You know, and I don't want to be in a position where I can't do me. Thank you for the eye specialist doing my procedure and making me whole again.
Florida Eye's mission is really to be Northeast Florida's provider for all eye care issues. We really want to be community driven. We've planted ourselves firmly in this area, and so we're here to help everyone.
I couldn't believe Florida Eye Specialist was going to do this procedure for me. You don't realize how important your sight is until you lose it, until, you know, on the verge of losing it. So I was really, really blessed. I'm about to get choked up. And I was really, really blessed to know that they're helping me with this. I'm so grateful to Florida Eye Specialist for giving me my eyesight back, for giving me this opportunity to at life again, because I mean, it can be snatched away so quickly.
You know, days like today, when we get an opportunity to provide free service, it makes you think for a few minutes. Here, I'm really lucky. I'm really grateful for the opportunity that I have, the skills, the team. Fortunately, we're surrounded by people that all have the same thought process that we've got to give when we can, and that we're really lucky to have that opportunity to provide that service. And it's one of those days I just feel really proud and happy about our practice and what we do in the community.